Hey everyone, in this one let's quickly understand how the insert operation is going to look like on a singly linked list. So here simply what we will do, we will write an insert method. It will basically take the index and the new value that we want to insert. So the valid values for the index are basically from 0 till the length of the linked list -1. We already have the values, right? So the valid values for the index will be from 0 till the length of the linked list, because after the last node we can insert one value. So these are the valid values. If user passes any value which is an invalid index, in that case we will simply return false, indicating that insertion is not possible. And what if user passes an index of 0? That is a second scenario. That means we already have a head node at index 0 and before that we want to add value. That is nothing but unshift. So we will simply use that unshift function and we will insert that value. If at all user passes an index which is equal to the length of the linked list, that is nothing but adding a new value after the last node, right? That is nothing but a push operation which we have already implemented. So we will simply call the push function here and we will simply return true. If user passes any other value for the index, what we need to do is, first we need to get the node that is there at the index -1th position that user has passed. Why? Because there is already a node at the given index. So if we can simply get the value before that, we can add a new value and we can readjust the connections. So first go ahead and get the value that is there at index -1th position. Right now the node that is at nth position is nothing but the next of the node that we have read. So let's just read that. Now whatever the new node that we have created, it should become the node at index position, right? That means index -1th position nodes next should point to this new node. So we will simply adjust that. Once that is done, whatever the new node that we have, it has become the node at index position, right? So the next of it should be whatever the node that we have at the index position right now. So whatever the new node dot next, we will simply adjust it to new node. Since we have added one value into the singly linked list, we will increment the length by 1 and we are good. So that is a simple understanding of how a insert operation is implemented on a singly linked list, covering all the scenarios.